Hello everyone, Archana here. Welcome back, and we are doing part 2 of my year-end sale. So today I am going to show all Graphic 45 kits, club kits they came up with. So many of you are familiar with these club kits. They have videos tutorial also, if you can check Graphic 45 YouTube channel, and they have these printouts too, detail printouts. So first kit I am going to show you in detail, but other ones I'm going to just showing you the project so you can see how that kit works, and grab it before they are here, since I have 1, 2 or 3, maximum 3 kits left in each. Some of them are one, and they are usually selling for $50, but today on this sale I'm selling these for $35. Ladies, it's still deal, you know. I even didn't count any kind of taxes, any kind of shippings which I paid for all these shipments to me, but I just want to sell all my Graphic 45 kits just to make a room for my room in my shelf. So this is first kit, which is, you can see the year also here, volume 1 2019. So you have to mention the year because there is a volume 1 in 2020 also, even 2021 also. So you have to mention the year and then volume number when you are buying the kit or commenting below. So this is first kit, which is volume 1 2019, which is Garden Goddess, and this is the album you are going to create using this kit. And these are the supplies in this bag. You can see I'm not going to show you each and every supply because this video will go forever then. So first supply list I'm just showing you. You can see all these 5 items included in this with this printout, and there is a link you can check on Graphic 45 YouTube channel. So this is the first kit, $35. Then second kit I have available. I think this is the only one kit I have, which called Gentleman, volume 3 2019, and these are the item list here, and this is the project you are making. It's a very beautiful kit filled with all these things, and it has this black chipboard piece set, and I think deluxe collection. You will not even get these items individually in this low price, even though you can see all the sales going on right now, but this whole kit is just for nothing, like $35 is nothing. So volume 3 2019, a proper Gentleman kit name is. I have another kit. I have so many kits, so be patient. So this is beautiful kit. You can see this tag book they made, and these are the supplies, and the kit name is volume 2 2020, volume 2 2020, which is fashion forward. I think I have 2 kits left in this. Next kit I have it here, which is volume 5 2020, ocean blue. Okay, so this is the kit, we have it here, and all these items in there, and you are making this really cute album or box. I think there is a box kit inside. You can see all the chipboard, so you can create a really pretty box. You can see here. So this ocean blue 2020 kit, volume 5 available. I have only 2 available in those, I think. Then I have only 1 available, or 2. I have only 2 available in these bloom kit. You can create this beautiful display, I guess. I'm not sure what is it. Oh, it's a wall hanging. It's very beautiful. You can see here. And kit is volume 5 2019 bloom, volume 5 2019 bloom. So please make sure you have to send me this item number or item name, then I will get to know this is the kit you wanted. So I have 2 kits available in there. See what next I have. So I will just take out the printout so you can see the project. So this is the kit, which is volume 4, 2019 Love Notes. I think I have only one available, this kit. These are the supplies. This is the beautiful large album you are making using this kit, and I have only one available. The next one I have is this fruit and flora. It's very beautiful kit. You can see this album you are going to make, and all these supplies are here. So kit is volume 4, 2020 fruit and flora. So I have 2 kits available in this. Next one, I have only one available. This kit is very pretty. You can see, you can get one big box, one big album. Very cute. So many things are in these kits. You cannot get individually in this price. So my kit prices are $35. So these 3 things are included in this kit, and kit called is 2019 volume 6 2019 by the sea. Okay, so this is the kit, only one available. Then I have 2 of these. Another wonderful collection called Farmhouse. So volume 6 2020 featuring for Farmhouse. So this is the album you are going to create using this kit, and these are the supplies in this. So these chipboard pack, really big one, and whole collection, 12 by 12 collection, along with all these flowers and this notepad. Beautiful kit. The next kit is very popular kit, which is Magic of Oz. Very beautiful kit. It's volume 9 2019, and this is the huge chunky album you are going to create using this kit. So pretty. All the instructions are here, and I have 2 kits available. So grab it before they gone. I'm sure they will go like a crazy. So next kit, I have 1 or 2 kits left in these. So next one is Kaleidoscope. Very cute kit. You can see it's a watercolor album you are going to create using this kit, and it's volume 7 2019 Kaleidoscope, and this kit has these many supplies included, and it's a tag book. Very pretty kit. I have only one available, and then I have these also, one kit available. I'll just take it out. So this is another beautiful kit. So it's called Paradise, Lost in Paradise, volume 8 2019 Lost in Paradise, and these are the supplies. And this, oh amazing, look at these beautiful albums you are going to create. These are notebooks. First is travel album, and then 3 notebooks. Amazing, so many things. Look at these pins, so pretty. So I have only one available, this Paradise kit. And then next beautiful kit is this beautiful, most popular kit, I think, Fairy Wings. So volume 8 2020. This is the beautiful album. Oh my goodness, I love it. So pretty. So many things are in this, and these many supplies are in this particular kit. So floral pennant you are going to, this is album, pennant album, you can see. Very good. So I have I think 2 kits available in this. Next kit, very pretty kit, and it also have a chipboard pad, like so many chipboards in there, you can see. So it has first of all the volume 12. They didn't mention any year here, but it's a volume 12 Flutter. If you say volume 12 Flutter, I will get it. So these are the things included. Very beautiful box. You are going to make it. It's a easel calendar box with sliding drawer. Amazing. So cute. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So I have only one, I think one or two available. I'll check. And next kit is volume 12 again, but it's 2019. So that one was volume 12 Flutter, and this one is volume 12 2019 Life's a Journey. So you can see this is wonderful album you are going to create. It's a folio. Nice. I love making folios. So I think I had 2 kits left in this. So next 3 kits are Christmas kits. So I will show you this first big bulky kit. You can see this big chipboard box included in these kits. So pretty. So you can see this beautiful box, Christmas lantern box you are going to create in this. So pretty. So this kit is volume 10 Christmas Magic. No year listed. Volume 10 Christmas Magic. I have one left. One available. Then another beautiful Christmas kit is another bulky kit. You can see these boxes, all these things, ink pads, everything, metal. So this kit is volume 10 2019 Joy to the World. So these are the items in this kit, and you are going to create this book. Very pretty book. And I have one kit available in this. And then I have one more this. Okay, so we have one more lantern. I will check if where is the box from this, but I have one available. There you go. I found the box. So I have 2 of them. Okay, this lantern box one I have 2. So these are the kits available right now. They are on sale. Grab it. I have very limited quantity, as you know, and I'll see you in my part 3 with so many chipboard pieces by Scrapnik and other companies, and I'll see what I can do, or if I can continue only G45, other items like individual paper pads and all. So stay tuned for part 3. Maybe I'll do part 3 for G45 items, and then part 4 will be all the chipboards. So thank you so much for watching, and I wanted to mention I got so many emails, and thanks for the really awesome response for my part 1st, and I still have some things left, so please quickly send me emails, messages, comments, so I will see if that item is available. I will hold for you. And one more thing, important thing I wanted to mention, till part 4 please, I will hold your bag and I'll combine your shipping, so it will be easy for you all to get all things together. So after part 4 I will start sending invoices. Unless you want me to send invoices right now, just please send me the email and I'll send that invoice and I'll ship that item to you. But if you want to see up till part 4, please stay tuned and I'll combine everything for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.